Free. The Ultimate Recipes Collection Volume Number 1 book by Darin Martineau is an inspired culinary journey through comforting favorites and globally influenced dishes, created for home cooks who crave variety and bold, satisfying flavors. This collection invites you to discover exclusive, decadent recipes that are both delicious and approachable. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully curated mix of hearty pastas, vibrant salads, savory dips, and quick weeknight meals. From Rosa marinara sauce and sausage pasta to 10-minute Szechwan chicken, spicy chicken and mushrooms, and lemon orzo with greens, feta, and dill. Each recipe delivers maximum flavor with practical techniques. International influences shine through dishes such as Creole Seasoning, Indian chicken, tacos with grilled pineapple, and Hot Smoked Tuna Dip, offering exciting tastes without unnecessary complexity. The collection also excels in fresh sides, snacks, and crowd-pleasing favorites. Multiple cucumber salads, cauliflower and tomato salad, BBQ chip dip, pesto dip, and classic German pancakes strike the perfect balance between simplicity and creativity. These recipes are ideal for everyday family meals, casual entertaining, or experimenting with new flavors in the kitchen. A standout feature of this volume is its impressive selection of classic French recipes, highlighting timeless techniques and refined flavors, from brioches, quiche, Lorraine, and Provençali stuffing to chicken merengue, chocolat garni, croquettes, omelets, sauces, and elegant desserts such as chocolate mint mousse and mango bomb sorbet. This section elevates the book into a true culinary reference. The Ultimate Recipes Collection. Volume Number 1 is both a celebration of international cuisine and a dependable kitchen. Companion inviting cooks of all skill levels to explore, create, and enjoy exceptional food at home. Click the link below to get free recipes now.